What's up, guys? Jury here, and a lot of you asked me how I am generating profit on Quora. What is my strategy? So, guys, it's really simple. Actually, I'm using two ways how to get income from Quora. So, first one is I'm promoting affiliate links, and second one I'm registered on Udemy, where I publish my online courses, strategies, what I'm sharing with you, and I also list links on Quora. So all these two methods are working and bring passive income for me. It's not big money. It's around 1,000 bucks per month, but I'm not spending too much of my time in order to get this money. So you can simply copy this method if you like and use it in order to promote your services or your affiliate link. So this will continue working. It will works and will continue to work. So first of all, if you have, in my opinion, best what you can do is if you can provide any service or product to people, it should be digital or online services. If you can do this, use any trustful platform like Fiverr, like SEO Clerks or any other, it doesn't matter. So platform should be trusted. So if, for example, if you are selling online courses, use a platform like Skillshare or Udemy. So platform should be trusted. Otherwise, people will not buy from you. So if you use a trusted platform, list your product or service there and answer similar questions about what is your product or service on Quora, and don't forget to list a link in your answers as well. It's not always possible to leave links like on Fiverr, Gigs, and Income. So you can use small trick. Include links in your Quora profile, and when you are answering question, make sure to leave a comment that you can find all links in my Quora profile. Click here and link to your Quora profile. So use tricks like this. If you are promoting affiliate links, you can use another trick. Simply create landing page on your website and include affiliate links there. So when answering question, leave link to your website, what already includes your affiliate link, what you would like to promote. In this case, Quora moderation system will not block your account, will not delete your post.